I'm standing in the large timber workshop of the STA. This is a belt sander. This is a long belt, and it's also an oscillating. So oscillating means that the belt will move up and down. It gives you a better finish, it clears the dust. So I have a table here which is adjustable on height, and on the end I have a small table. The one on the end means that I can get in and I can do this. I can get into a radius, I can do edges. This one I can come up to the belt. I don't have to use this 90-degree stop. I can stand next to the machine and operate it like this. I can also come on here and rotate, put radiuses on here. So it allows me to sand anything up to 150 millimeters wide, and I can come along and straighten edges and clean up timber. So I've got a dirty edge there. I'm going to come along and sand the material. So this machine makes quite a lot of dust, and it also makes quite a lot of noise with the dust extraction. So we're going to stop the camera. I'm going to put on my face mask and hearing protection. I'm going to open the gate here, and I'm going to put on the dust extraction system. And then when I come back, or when you come back to see me, I'll be dressed and we'll do a little bit of sanding on the long belt sander. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so the gate is open. I have an on switch here. You can see the belt going up and down. So I sanded the front edge. You can still see a little bit of the dirty edge that was there. So I was holding it against there. As you saw, I could move it up and down along the belt. The belt's rotating in this direction, which drags it along. So it's a little bit dangerous that you can hit your hand on here. So you just got to be careful that you keep your fingers away from the belt, because it will sand your fingers. It's not a good idea. So this is the wide belt sander. It's an oscillating machine. It can do about 800 millimeters of long timber, and you can move timber through the machine. So it's quite a nice machine to use, and you'll find it in the large timber workshop at OTC. All right, once again, my name's Laurence. I'll catch you later.